disposable toiletries, plastic bags, bin liners, food packaging, and cups are among the biggest plastic polluters. Ocean is a vital source of nourishment. It supports the livelihood of 500 million people. Unfortunately, the oceans are facing multiple environmental stresses as a result of marine pollution, ocean acidification, and climate change. This has resulted in the loss of marine species and degradation of marine and coastal environments. Many cities are faced with the problem of the improper disposal of litter. This is directly related to the inexistent waste management infrastructure. Studies have shown that more than 70% of the litter on the beach surfaces, consist of macroplastics that originate from river mouth. Ecologically, seabirds and marine mammals are prone to become entangled in the waste that pollutes the ocean, causing harmful development impacts in the aquatic animals. Macroplastics and microplastics damage ecosystems and the aesthetic of the shoreline. In addition, the improper management of plastic deteriorates. Ghana has launched a proper plan to utilize open areas for public recreation and to develop the local tourism economy. This year, the United Nations declared the Decade of Ocean Science for Sustainable Development that will run from 2021 to 2030. The decade aims to support efforts to reverse the cycle of decline in ocean health for a well-functioning ocean and for the sustainable development of ocean through biodiversity conservation. Therefore, programs such as beach cleanup, mangrove planting, tree planting, education, awareness programs, training, and seminars are examples of biodiversity conservation that were organized. Our ongoing new project has helped in reducing the use of plastics in the food system chain. The organization started a project since 2018 to reduce and replace the food packaging system with a local leaf called the Ketenfe leaves, which are used to serve food and others. The project has many advantages, which has made us so confident that it will solve or reduce plastic use in our daily activities when properly used and accepted by many countries. The organization has encouraged farmers in the cultivation of the Ketenfe leaves, education in the food chain. The organization is able to eradicate 1,000 of plastic used daily in the city of Accra. The acceptance of this old way of food packaging has many advantages and few disadvantages. These are reduced plastic waste in our daily food system chains, and secondly, it reduces health implications for individuals. For example, the use of plastic served with hot food releases toxic and affects our health and gives us sicknesses like cancer, liver problem, and many more. And the third advantage is that um, it have it has positive impact on the economies where jobs are created in the farming activities. The organization have to educate the food vendors in the use of these Ketenfe leaves to avoid food to be contaminated when it is not properly cleaned with salt, water, or vinegar for proper sanitization.
Sometimes my customers, when they see the leaves, the patronage of the food goes high rather than the rubber. And sometimes too, they said because of the scent of the leaves, when they buy the food, the scent in the food makes them like they have appetite for the food. and they said it's medicinal. So I think that we should all petrol make the leaves rather than the rubber. Because me, that when I don't have leaves, they don't buy.